Deputy Commissioner Jonga West Giant Hills Ubaderu Chairman Jonga District Selection Committee DSC Abhinav Kumar Singh ulakan taj ikijingkan thok badangshan bapalat sanspa anrupho teliki kam Sorkar kilat hapo ka DSC dakabaong kadeka jingalam bakla. Haba pensyaya kateka jingken hakilat patai kubor hakasing satjan UDC ulaong kateka jingken sanspa anrupho ka kentup ikikam kibashabar jonga jingtrekam jonga DSC kum kinohikai promotion post kikam master role bat kikam hapo ka MPSC. Ula pentikna baka jingdon jong kikam balat ban pyndap ling baka DSC kalong hadua ars pak san pusan teli kat kum ki jingtip bala pensisha bala IT da kitanat baper hadian ki jingalang bala pelong haka kat kendai truk jemang bat ar penriu tarik jemang. Kini kikam kikentup ar puwai teli ki LDA prapulai teli ki grade 4 bat grade 3 post. Barok kikam kentup lang bat ksis pak khatsan teli ki bateli ladon ars pak san pusan teli kikam bateli hapo West Giant Hills District. Naluar kata ula pentip basap kendai teli kikam LDA ladap thong ringkat ki south teli kikam boatman. Ula pentip baya ka interview nak benta ki khat nriu teli kikam bakentup khat way teli ki sericulture demonstrator south teli ki gram sevak bat iway gram sevika an pelong no hai ki arta yo banwan.
I'm giving this public clarification or advisory as a chairman of the District Selection Committee for West Jylliew Hills. Recently, there has been some information which has been doing rounds in the media, which is with regard to the vacancies that are available in the DSC. As per one of the groups, it has been cited that the number of vacancies is more than 500. I want to issue the clarification that the vacancies that they have cited is an inflated one. How? As there are around 106 out of so-called 560 vacancies which are tagged as JDA, officer, UDA and teaching staff, which are clearly outside the purview of the DSC. We had a meeting with our Honorable MLA on 19th of May, wherein at that point of time the vacancies that were given to us by the various departments was total 151. Following which a meeting was convened with all the departmental heads, wherein they were asked to bring the vacancies list as well as the roster on 26th of May, wherein we got an additional 21 LDA post and 83 grade 4 post and grade 3 post. Thus the total vacancies that are to be filled up by the DSC as of today, which has been submitted, is 255. Again, on addition to that, 49 LDA posts and 4 boatmen have been recently appointed. An interview of 16 posts, which includes 11 for sericulture demonstrator, 4 for Gram Seva and 1 for Gram Sevika, will be undertaken in coming next 2 weeks. Also, the inflated post which has been given to this, the organization, it actually also includes the muster roles from various departments, which include like other warden, pharmacists, vacancies that are outside the purview of the DSC. So with regard to this, the appointment which we'll be doing will ensure that the entire process for recruitment gets completed for the entire set of vacancies, maximum by September or November for this year itself. I would also like to urge to all the media houses, rather strongly urge, that before publishing any information, they should get a clarification from the concerned authority, in this particular case from the chairman of the DSC. The department to submit the list of vacancies. It was an old data, right? On 26th, when the meeting was convened with all the department heads, the additional LDA post, grade 3, grade 4 posts were apprised to us, which we have added down, and total 250 plus is the number of vacancy as of date today, for which we are going to give out the advertisement. The entire schedule is being prepared and it will be shared maximum by tomorrow in the press, so everyone can start their preparation. And as I am reiterating it again, by maximum September or November, the entire vacancy for the DSC will be filled up. See, as per the RTI information that was given out and said that 560, but those 560 vacancies includes all the vacancies which falls within the purview of the DSC, the vacancies which include muster roles for various departments, the vacancies which are to be filled up through promotion in the various departments, and also the vacancies which fall within the purview of the MPSC. So this is where, had the question been vacancies with regard to the DSC, for that, as of today, as I already cleared up, is 255. As we are talking today, this is the number of vacancies that are within the purview of the DSC, which have to be filled up by the DSC itself. So what we have planned it up, starting from June itself, we are going to go ahead with our filling up of the vacancies. The written examination would be conducted, we are going to issue the tentative schedule for the entire set of vacancies within upcoming 2 days, in which everything would be mentioned with regard to post, with regard to when the written examination would be conducted, when the typing test would be conducted, even when your qualifying exam would be conducted. And also there is a tentative date for interview as well. So what our actual plan is that maximum by September or by November, we are going to fill up the entire set of vacancies which are available as of now.